Excuse me, sir. Can you tell me how to get to the nearest metro station?
Of course. You're on the right track. Just continue straight down this road for about 2 blocks, then take a left at the traffic light. You'll see the entrance to the station on your right.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your help. Say, while I have you here, can I ask you a few more questions?
Sure, go ahead. I'll do my best to help.
I'm a bit worried of getting scammed or taken advantage of as a tourist. Are there any precautions I should take while exploring the city?
Absolutely. Unfortunately, there are always people looking to take advantage of unsuspecting tourists. One tip is to avoid overly crowded tourist spots, as they tend to attract pickpockets and scam artists. It's also a good idea to keep your belongings secure and be cautious when accepting help or offers from strangers.
That's good advice. I'll definitely keep that in mind. On another note, I couldn't help but notice that the streets seem quite dirty compared to what I'm used to back home.
Yes, I understand what you mean. Unfortunately, cleanliness isn't always a top priority here. But despite the litter and grime, there's still a certain charm to the city, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. The people I've met so far have been incredibly friendly and welcoming, which more than makes up for any shortcomings in cleanliness.
I'm glad to hear that. The people here take great pride in their hospitality and are always eager to help visitors feel at home.
Yeah, the people of here are very helpful. However, the cleanliness is not up to the mark. Maybe it will improve gradually.
There are many places which are very clean, and the government is taking active part in cleaning activities.
I think it's the responsibility of the people to keep all the places clean. Throw the garbage only on the dustbin. However, the people are great. I have not much issues with it. They are really very helpful.
Yes, you are right. I totally agree with you.
That's definitely been my experience so far. Well, I should probably get going now. I have a tour booked, and I wouldn't want to be late.
No problem at all. It was a pleasure meeting you, John. If you ever need any more help or advice during your stay, don't hesitate to ask.
Thank you, Raj. I really appreciate all your assistance. Take care, and perhaps our paths will cross again someday.
Take care, John. Safe travels, my friend.